Welcome to SaadX. This video I am going to discuss about order of operation, and I am trying to evaluate two math based on exponent and order of operation. Let's get started. Evaluate 11 minus 20 divide 5 square minus 13 divide 3 plus 8 times 2. Before evaluation, we have to know about order of operations. It's a very simple thing. Previous class we already discussed, but it's a evergreen topics. First, we have to simplify the expressions inside grouping symbols such as parentheses, brackets, and fraction bar. So look, here is big numbers inside parentheses. So first we have to complete this exponent. So first we can write this one 11 minus 20. We cannot write minus 9 because here is a division sign, this is a fraction, here is exponent. So lots of things we have to complete first. Then divide, here is 5 square, it means 25 minus 13 divide 3, then plus 8 times 2. Okay, next 11 minus 20 divide 25 minus 13 is a 12 divide 3 plus 8 times 2. Now look, we cannot complete this division work because till we have fraction, right? So here is 11 minus 20 divide 12 divide 3 is a 4. So we can write in here 4 plus 8 times 2. Okay, then now 11 minus, now we have to complete our second part, which is, look, evaluate all powers we already done because this is exponent. Now do all multiplications and divisions in order from left to right. So therefore here is 20 divide 4 is a 5, and here is plus 8 then times 2 till we are in parenthesis. It means inside bracket. Now look, 11 minus 5 is what? 6 plus 8 then times 2. 6 plus 8 is a 14 times 2. Our answer is 28. Very simple thing. This video I am trying to solve another math. This one, a cube minus b square plus c divide a plus ab plus c. So this order of operation is combined powers, brackets, and fraction. It's a very interesting math, right? So first, here is a cube means 4, it means 4 cube, right? Minus b square, b is a minus 3, then square, plus c means 7, divide a is a 4, plus a times b, it means 4 times minus 3, then plus 7. Okay, now step by step we are trying to simplify this one. First we have to do which one? We have to simplify the expressions inside grouping symbols. So first inside grouping symbols such as parentheses. So this parenthesis, like here is a 4 cube. 4 cube we can write 4 times 4 is a 16. 16 times 4 is 64. We can write this one, right? Here is 64 minus, then minus 3 square, it's a 9, plus 7, divide 4, plus, here is 4 times 3 is a minus 12, and then plus 7. In this order of operation, first we have to finish parenthesis, right? So here is 64 minus 9 plus 7, we can write this one is 16, and here is 4, it's a fraction part, so we can do this one, right? Then plus minus 7 minus 12 plus 7, it will be minus 5, so we can write in here minus 5. Okay, now look, this 16 we can divide by 4, so here is a 4, so 64 minus 4 minus 5, so ultimately we will get 64 minus 4 is a 60, then minus 5, our answer is 55. Very simple. So we are trying to evaluate 2 math. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. My channel name is SaadX, and I am trying to solve very basic level to advanced level for SAT and IGCSE Math exam practice. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.